Another day on a project motor, our marketplace find. We're going to go ahead and put the lower unit back on. Last week we recorded replacing the impeller pump, and you guys seen how bad it was. It was hammered, pieces everywhere. So we jigged this thing up with a piece of wood, running a water pressure line, and used a wedge in the front to keep it in place and vice grips to keep it locked in neutral. The trick is, when these guys installed it, they had it locked up in a gear and we couldn't get it out of whatever gear it was in. So once we dropped it, we were able to get it to go in the neutral. We could fill neutral and reverse. Hopefully everything goes together smooth and we have a shifting, functioning outboard after this is done, and all we have to do is see how we can get it to run. It's kind of hard on a stand. We don't have a boat to put it on, but it's a runner. All right, here we go. Well, we pulled this unit off 3 times so far, and we finally we're having problems getting in and out of gear. We can find neutral, forward, reverse. What the problem, we studied it a little bit, and what the problem we believe we found was whoever put this on, like I said, it was stuck in gear. They had this piece facing forward, like so, like that. Well, there's a pin under here that this is supposed to push up only while it's in reverse.
So when this turns to the left and goes in the reverse, this pin locks and keeps this motor from lifting while you're in reverse. We're pretty sure that's our problem. So for the fourth time, we're going to put this thing back on and see if we can get it to go in and out of gear now. And hopefully that was the issue. Hope we're not getting the cart before the horse here. We didn't try it. I hope we're not. Yes, you are. Forward, nice and smooth. Reverse, nice and smooth.